Do you have bad balance? Maybe poor balance, and maybe it's keeping you from doing something that you love, like playing golf or pickleball, or maybe just hanging out with your friends. Sometimes balance can be so bad that it keeps us from being able to do normal things, like just cooking and cleaning and bending down to pick something up off the ground. You see, a lot of people are so scared that they're gonna fall and break a bone or wind up in the hospital that then they tighten up even more, and it then makes their balance even worse, and it just all escalates on top of one another. You see, my name is Justin Gilligan. I'm one of the owners of TheraFit Rehab, and TheraFit Rehab is dedicated towards working with and bettering people's balance. We're balance experts, and we're going to be putting on a workshop in your area, and it's going to be all things balance. We're going to be teaching you everything that we've learned over the years from working with people to better their balance. And more importantly, it's going to be in a workshop environment where we get to actually test you and do things to see what your balance is like. And you're going to walk away with 7 really easy tips to improve your balance within the next week. If you're suffering from bad balance, if you're scared you're going to fall, if you're scared of losing your independence, these are all reasons that you want to make sure that you're here for that workshop. So you're not going to want to miss it. All you need to do is fill out the form below, put your name, your email, your phone number. We'll follow up just to make sure that your spot's received or that your spot is reserved. And that's it. All you got to do is fill out the form below, and we'll make sure that your spot's reserved. I urge you though, these spots fill up very quickly, and some of our locations can only accept about 10 people per event. So if you're kind of on the fence, I urge you just sign up right now. You're not going to want to miss it. You're going to get a lot out of it. A lot of these workshops, we end up giving away things like jars or cups or mugs or even therapy balls and TheraBand, and it's just you get a lot out of these workshops. So I urge you, sign up now, fill out the form below, reserve your seat, and we will see you there. Thank you and have a wonderful day.